I think many of you will know by now that on Thursday, the 1st of January, Avanti began operating services over the Settle and Carlisle Railway. The 2-hourly shuttle service will operate from Preston to Carlisle over the next 10 days, as the West Coast Mainline is completely blocked just to the south of Penrith. This closure is to allow Network Rail to replace the bridge over the M6. This weekend, the M6 is also closed to allow for the demolition of the old bridge, and is scheduled to open on Monday morning. However, the railway will remain closed until the 15th. This is because demolition will take the whole weekend to complete, with the new bridge being moved into place the following weekend. After that, work will take place to reinstate the track, communications equipment, and overhead line equipment. I'm hoping to head up towards Penrith next weekend to see if I can record any footage of the bridge move, weather permitting. But either way, I plan to release a longer video looking at the bridge replacement in more detail. I just wanted to release a quick video explaining why Avanti is operating the service over the Settle and Carlisle route. Unfortunately, I didn't get to ride the service over the Batty-Moss Viaduct, aka the Ribblehead Viaduct, but I did catch part of the service which actually originated at Wrexham General. This service was technically 2 services, with the Wrexham and Chester to Crewe shuttle combining with a service from Crewe to Carlisle via Warrington Bank Quay and Wigan North Western, but I believe this service was only used to get stock up to Carlisle in the morning. It just also happened to be a passenger carrying service. Avanti are using Class 805 bi-mode units, which can be powered by overhead wires or onboard diesel engines. The units usually operate from North Wales and Chester to London. However, the diversion means the trains are spread more thinly, and therefore the services from Chester and North Wales are currently terminating at Crewe, so passengers can change onto services to Euston. There are other upgrades taking place on the West Coast Mainline, which began on Christmas Eve, and the main route from London to the northwest and Scotland isn't expected to fully reopen until the 15th of January. I know people have mixed opinions about closing the railway over Christmas, but Network Rail still maintains that this is the quietest period for the railway, so it makes sense to carry out as much work as possible during this time. All being well, I'm hoping to release the bridge move video next Sunday, so keep an eye out for that one. And lastly, if you found this video informative, then please remember to give it a like, as it helps my content to get noticed, and subscribe if you haven't already.